Oh, hi, this is Alan Chan, and I'm trying to make my own games. And I own it about my games, and I'm to I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on your 3D blendering, how to set up your own modeling setup. So click right click anywhere on your screen to create a new file. So click new folder. This should be a default folder. Just name anything you want. Um, this is supposed to default that contains anything as your own Blender folder. This um, left mouse drag this down here and put it down here. Here, dragging it. then then right mouse anywhere on the screen and click refresh to make sure you can see this inside here. Then you click Blender. Just click anywhere else beside this here to ignore that window, that middle window before. Click File, Save. Um, as you see, is go back to your own. Just go desktop and go Blender folder as a default folder where you save files. Click Blender Setup and click underscore 001 as your first version, as your backup version to Blender. You can name it as that and click enter and save Blender folder. To back up your own undo preferences, click file, user preferences. The maximum user preferences, it should be 256 instead of 1000, anything above. So yeah, so save undo preference, user preference settings, like exit, and then to deselect this thing or select this thing is click shift right mouse to do anything wrong and select multiple object. If you double click and deselect it while holding on your shift button, yeah, but just select this one. Just select shift right mouse click on this one, or just right mouse click on this one, click X, delete X on the keyboard and delete this thing. Then you go back to here, create plane. Um, Here, create plane. Then you open this tab a little bit to make sure you can see your own uh, materials. Uh, you have to select this object first by right mouse click. Right mouse click. Then add new material slot that before creating your own material inside your own slot. So this texture should, if you select this same object and create this material, it should be connected, automatically connect to your own texture. Click new material, scroll down here, open. It should automatically lead to your own Blender folder if it creates your own. No. Just click the PNG folder or any image folders. Uh, you can see, yeah, let's go back down here. You can see this on UV map is on normal. If we click Shift Step, you see I'm UV map it yet. To make sure this is not on UV mapped it yet, go to UV editing settings. Um, right mouse click on this screen and click Shift Set to make sure in render view to make sure it's a different. And I make sure this is right mouse click on this again and click U on keyboard. Or select this object first and click. Right. Go to edit mode, select this object with the object mode and click edit mode. First, then U on this to unwrap it. U on keyboard to unwrap it while on this screen side only. So you fixed it. Why to make sure does it work properly is to open this um, UV editor window with the folder from before like this down here. So it looks the same on the UV mapping. The UV is the kind of the corner things or yeah corners or the vertex things. So when you finished it, just go back to default windows. So you fixed it, then then you click uh, R to rotate. Well, when you see the rotate is a bit like lagging because you still random it. Also, this before you pressing left click to finish rotating, you just click on right click to refresh to undo your before rotating and click shift set so you can rotate faster next time. Like now it looks rotating faster, but it's augmented rotating because you had to rotate in one axis is only. So click X to make sure rotating one axis. Click here. Your anywhere else you want, just readjust it afterwards. Click 90 degrees. And when you make sure you go back to object mode. If you create another object like your cube or something, it will be two object in one object, which is is not proper. So go back to object mode before creating another object sometimes. Yeah, you can use R to rotate, G to translate, S to scale, and then click any X or Y axis on any direction, specific axis that you're trying to translate or rotate or scale with. And after click okay, if you shift Z, you realize that one of the diffuse color is not proper, like it's not facing the right direction or something. Looks like it, but it's not true. It's just the lighting is just not facing the right direction. See that lighting is this not facing it. Because this is the lighting actually. So just click this. Just drag it back. Make sure the lighting will face towards it, and by shift not shift set G and Y, click Y and axis going everywhere. Click Y axis to go back. You can click it while 5 instead and shift set so it works now. So go back down here and make sure in object mode but before creating another object. Or if you edit mode then it'd be two object in one like connected object looks like, which is not part. This is not. It can be annoying sometimes. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to separate. Is this create cube is the actual shield feeding model, and this is a blueprint only. Like you're trying to project the same thing. So create. Oh wait, no. So this way, Control Z to undo. Create. As I said, undo preference. So create. Well, first of all, just for example, if you bias it like cursor on your own left mouse click on somewhere else and bias it create cube and create somewhere else instead of zero orientation, means you have to do this. Like make sure to set up everything on XY axis and all like down the center, but you don't have to do it unless your cursor is in the middle all by itself, but before creating a new cube. So you click Shift S and question center creates cube and that's working now. So to make sure that the projectile on Shift Z Like projectile, like can see through while modeling at the same time. Uh, like projecting those edge and corner, like the shapes of the silhouettes of it first, then what doing inside the 3D modeling. This select this command share. Make sure you know where you're selecting by selecting install mode again instead of render mode. Then you click then you click material plus slots again. Create a slot before creating a new material. And you don't have to create texture for this one. You just need transparent, not diffuse colors that especially. So click transparency, alpha. Make sure you select this object, not that object, to make it alpha. And click like 50%. Or 0.5, 1 means 100%, 0.5 means 50%. And it should work uh, when you click Shift Z, see it's transparent, so you can 3D model the silhouette. Try to get the right shapes of it afterwards. So you click and shift, shift set again, select this again, and then go to the edit mode to model this thing by clicking back to tools, subdivision, click number of cuts, two, around two is okay, but it's supposed to be around 7 or 11 ish for the shield. Uh, and click uh, so to go click numlock and click 1 to front view, 3 for side view, 7 for top view. Let's click 1, then click 5 as orientation orographic view so you can see how to 3D model it. Well, this thing is not alpha view yet. It's still in solid view. You can click render. So you see the different now. Now what to silhouette modeling is, let's click down here. And make sure you click cube. Yeah, and go to material mode so you can see where you're editing it. So you see where you're editing it. Um, well, click tools, edit mode, um, and click vertex. You have to use this to select multiple vertex within another, like multiple layers of vertex. So control left mouse to select all. Uh, oh, just select one first anywhere by right mouse click it, but to deselect that, just click control right mouse click on that vertex and click control hold control left mouse click. I mean left mouse drag. I mean to draw a line and click G to translate. See, see it doesn't work because you need to switch this one. It just doesn't select all the vertex at once in dot layer. So control left mouse click. I mean left mouse drag, hold drag, and click G again. Yeah, see, shift everything right now. That's the blueprint now behind it. So to do this, to fix this thing, for example, just control like that. Trying to get the right shape. It's just roughly getting right shape again. So just click um Z for this or something like that, and then like this, and yeah, and then you can do like shrinking it by S, and then just like try to make the right shape of it. That's the rough job. It's not. It's supposed to make it more neater, but this is examples for. And I think I'm almost done. Just save up back file again, but save as Blender. It's the same folder. Just save as zero point 0.2 to back up your own file and save as. So your own folder have double of this. And you can yeah, I think I'm done with YouTube tutorial and thank you. See ya.